Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix issues with Google Maps timeline, not updating or missing your travel history. If your timeline isn't working right, there are a few things to check. Let's walk through them. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then go to your timeline. If you see a blank screen, or it's not showing your trips, here's what to do. Step 1. Make sure location history is turned on. Tap your profile again, go to your data in Maps, scroll down to location history, and make sure it's turned on. If it's off, tap it and turn on location history for the account you're using. Step 2. Enable location access for Google Maps. Go to your phone's settings, Apps, Google Maps, Permissions, Location. Set it to allow all the time. Step 3. Enable background activity. Still in app settings, go to battery usage and make sure Google Maps is allowed to run in the background. This helps it log your locations even when the app is closed. Step 4. Make sure Google Play Services is up to date. Go to the Play Store, search for Google Play Services, and update if available. Step 5. If you're using power saving mode, turn it off, because it can prevent background location tracking. After doing all of this, restart your phone, wait a few hours or go for a walk, and then check your timeline again. And that's it. You should start seeing your location history appear correctly now. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more how-to tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll try to help out. Thanks for watching.